My name is Muhammad Sani. I have been working on the channel for many years, making it is quality and carefully following YouTube rules. Please, my channel has spent. Please. What is problem? Please. It is a pen. I am Muhammad Sani. I am Muhammad Sani. I have been working on it is carefully. Please. It is a bin so that I am I can work on it again. Thank you. You and I saw that this channel. I worked I worked hard on was bended without my knowledge. Please left the bin with forgiveness. Thank you very much. Please. I have been working on this Muhammad Sani channel for many years with great care and and I would like to thank you for lifting the pain with forgiveness. Please. I am Muhammad Sani. What happened? What problem? This channel is quality and carefully working for on YouTube. What happened? What problem? Please, this is my channel. For many years working for YouTube channel. This is my channel. What problem? What happened? My channel is bended. Don't work. Not work. What problem? What happened? I am carefully working. This is my channel. For many years working carefully rules. YouTube rules. What problem? My channel bended. Why? Please. Forgiveness. I am carefully. I am working carefully. Working. What happened? What problem? This is my channel. Thank you. Please. Give me my channel. Give me my channel. Give me my channel. What happened? What problem? It's my channel is suspended. Why? What problem? Thank you.